What's on your mind? Talk to me. I'm here.
I couldn't even finish the thought. Because my mind.
Yeah, hold your horses. I'm looking through my kid feeds now, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pervert Cole.
Menace.
Let's wreck his world.
Places are going up. Oh, hold on, Grizz. Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
No, not you, Grizz.
Do you have the footage or not?
Yeah, no, everything's cool. On second thought, I got another kid in mind for you. Lost my what the f are you doing, Grizz?
I didn't do anything.
Well, me! Grizz, are you still there? Child labor piece of shit! What the f is going on in here? What did I ever do to deserve this shit? Thousands of dollars. Who's doing that? Sick flies on somebody. Get the f out of my house. Get the f out. I am f***ing you. I'm going.
Did you get all that?
Yup. Jesus Christ.
I wish I could reach through the camera and strangle that guy.
Don't worry. This footage is already circulating. Society will do the strangling soon enough.
What would you guys think about shooting a little exercise fail video starring the CEO of Home?
Stephen Bader? I'd love to have another go at humiliating that pompous ass. Why an exercise video?
People.
He's near. Find him. That's restricted.
I will send you the intruder's location. Can you? I can't hear. Do you hear me? I understand. Squad, we've identified a suspect in an armed robbery. Heading toward your location. Over.
Anyone have a clear shot? Get taken.
Hey, what's going on?
I was looking at our numbers, how many people downloaded our app, how much processing power we had available, and that's when I saw it.
What?
A chunk of our followers and bots came from inactive or dead invite accounts.
Hey, wait, so someone used a social media site to boost our numbers? Who?
And how many f***ing accounts,
I don't
man?
know who, but it came from inside invite, someone with admin access, I'm sure of that. As for how many... didn't check. No, it's all my fault. I didn't check.
Josh,
No, I didn't check.
Oh, maybe someone inside Invite is a fan.
Yeah, or maybe we're getting set up to get.
Should've checked.
We need to find out.
Marcus, watch your wing slide.
I should've just
Josh,
checked.
Josh, it's not your fault, okay? Look, we all saw the numbers. You're the only one who caught it. You did good. You did good. Huh?
Okay.
Sending you the flagged accounts. Use the CEO's computer, Mary Catskill. She's on vacation, so her office should be empty.
Adios.
I unlocked the elevator. Heading there now. Heading up. I'm gonna get us some answers.
Good luck, Marcus. We're with you.
I'm in. Trying to figure out who boosted our numbers. Whoa, whoa. What happened?
The flag clients just vanished. We lost the bots. What did you do?
Nothing. This isn't me.
Marcus, is this a bad time? Sort of feels like a bad time. I don't really need to introduce myself, do I?
I know who you are. That night at the beach, man, I knew you looked familiar.
Venus must have been in retrograde or some bullshit, because I think it was fate. I was in the night that you hacked into our system. I had to meet you, and there you were, pissed in your sneakers. All brains and no aim.
What's Bloom's CTO doing in the office of the CEO of Invite? And why'd you boost our numbers? This is the part where you offer me a six-figure salary?
Fuck no. No. You could code circles around most of my programs. No, see, I can't pitch CTOS 2.0 as a state-of-the-art security system and then hire someone that's on the no-fly list. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I just came here to have a drink. Okay. If you want to have a drink and a dance, I'm in.
Oh, you think it's a joke? You got everybody eating out your hands thinking the system's bulletproof? You can't see the people you're stepping on.
Guess what, Marcus? Guess what? The people want to be told who is good and who is bad. They don't care how it works, only that it does.
It doesn't work.
Civilian casualties is the cost you have to pay for the betterment of the world. You're fighting a war no one gives a about. Now they're just swimming upstream right into the grizzlies' mouths.
So why'd you prop up DeadSec's numbers?
There's no one in Silicon Valley who could throw a proper punch. So, here it is, Marcus. Your record is back on file. Your backdoor access is plugged. And those bots I gave you are gone. Oh, and there's a warrant out for your arrest. Hacking, corporate espionage, and breaking and entering. It's okay. I was done with it anyway.
All units, air support requested. We have an alert on a possible felon near your location. Over. All units, this is squad. Squad, be advised that a possible suspect or suspects have been reported near your location.
I got played.
Cops are surrounding the building. Get out of there. Marcus, they're surrounding the building. Get pissed later and get out now.
I repeat, come out with your hands up.
All right, I'm gone.
No sign of suspect. We'll have another look.
It's not that bad.
We look like a bunch of chumps.
God! Damn it!
Wrench, calm the fuck down. It's not helping.
Yeah, you're right. It's not helping.
Marcus, you got anything to say?
Well, guys, to be honest with you, I genuinely don't have a plan. But I got an idea, and I don't know, just trust me on this one.
Here we go!
Oh, good for you, Wrench.
I know things haven't been great lately,
Yeah, they suck.
but whatever we're in now, that's now. You helped us find our voice. We took on the Giants and had one mother of a run. Never thanked you for any of it,
Hey, why are you talking like it's over?
isn't it?
I'm still in. I know you are, and we can convince the others to... You're not in?
These are from our DedSec channels. DedSec is not worthy. DedSec is a bunch of skitties. You told us lies and bullshit. Hashtag DedSuck.
Yeah, so we got some shit stirrers. Who cares what they think?
Who cares what the... Jesus, Marcus. Have you been paying attention? I care what they think. I've worked my ass off for years, trying to earn us respect long before you ever showed up. This is my brand. Now it's completely f***ed.
So unf it.
I don't know if I can.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, at least you're not a fugitive. Oh, damn.
I wonder if there's a bounty on your head. Maybe I can salvage this.
Oh, please, man, you couldn't catch me if you wanted to.
Oh, you're talking to a track star.
Let's walk.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't want to hurt anything.
Yeah, me neither. If I gotta drag their asses out to the middle of the desert to keep DedSec together, I'm gonna do it. DedSec's come too far to give up now. Josh, who's your friend?
Oh, this is Susan. She's a second-grade teacher from Milwaukee. She's 32 and she drives a cherry red.
Cool. Hey, we're gonna meet by the big sculpture for a group shot before the challenge. Whenever you're ready. Didn't mean to, step on your game here.
Game? We're not playing a game. I was just explaining to Susan how if your low-speed mixture adjustment is too rich, your engine's going to buckle under all the excess fuel. That's a 4-cycle idle, and that can be a no-no.
Yep, sure can. Okay, well, I'll see you out there. Leaving your mark,
Always.
but not DedSec.
Doesn't feel right, you know? Come on, don't bum me out here. I'm trying to have a good time.
Me too. So we, as in DedSec we, are gonna enter that hacking challenge and we're gonna win.
And the others are okay with this?
They will be. I got a nice smile.
Well, you do have a nice smile.
See? No problem. We're gonna do this. Everything's gonna be okay.
You've got it all figured out, huh?
Nah, but I do know if I get you back in Satara mode, you'll figure out most of it for me.
Damn, you are dangerous.
Meet us by the ugly sculpture when you're ready.
All right, see you there.
How's the party going?
Say something random.
Okay, beer is oil for the human machine.
Bwomp.
Oh, damn! You just Inception bombed me!
Bwomp.
Humanity's fate now lies at the fingertips of a single hacker.
Bwomp.
Pineapple pizza is the stuff of nightmare.
Bwomp.
Hey, man, what you working on?
Gonna get these people moving. But they need a proper track list. This shit barely has a pulse.
DJ Ratio.
Just ratio. Back when I used to do sets. Hey, maybe I'll go back to it. What else am I gonna do now?
Man, DedSec's not over. We hit a pothole, that's all. We're gonna come back stronger.
You're always so sure of yourself.
I know, but I'm always right.
Wait. Here we go.
Ah, yeah, that's much better.
Locked their DJ out of his tools, too.
The savior of the party. Hey, once you're done giving these guys a hard time, meet me in the middle. Dead Sex entering a competition.
I'll be there.
Come on, motherfucker!
This isn't a fair fight.
Oh, it's so not fair. Little guy's gonna get the shit kicked out of him. But that's what makes it fun, right? You like to watch a little guy take his lumps.
Yeah, I mean, so he can get back up on his feet again and overcome, right?
You're trying to turn this into a metaphor for DedSec, aren't you? I mean, if you want to keep DedSec going, I'm right there with you. But if you're putting your metaphor money on that weirdo, no. He's going down and staying down.
Yeah, it's a long shot. Hey, are you joining us for the competition?
Yep, I'm down.
All right, people, gather up. We need a group shot. Hey, try to look pretty for the camera, huh?
Always.
Okay, looks like the challenge is starting. Hey, Josh, get on the numbers and feed it answers. Wrench, you got the Jabberwock. Get it wired up and ready. Ratio, I need you to run interference on a route. Slow him down. Satara and I are gonna hack this thing. Let's get it. Dead set. Let's go, guys. Okay, what is this? Nice. Throwing up the horns and punctuating them.
We should focus. There seems to be a timer.
Think you can hack it?
Of course. Stop moving.
Don't mess with Satara.
That doesn't even make sense.
How did it... Okay. Almost there, Marcus. Come on.
3.
Guys, back up, guys! It's gonna catch on fire! Back up!
But how do you know?
Because it has to catch on fire! It cannot catch on fire! Told ya!
That is dope as
The Jabberwock with eyes of flame.
I'm John!
Satara!
I'm Horatio, how's it going? What's good? I'm Marcus. Who are you?
I'm Ray. I should have put more juice in. It's... Ah! Hey, you kids want to feed your heads? 2 ounces of sacrosanct mind.
People, I am going offline now. See you on the other side.
Oh, Horatio, you good, man?
The word good has lost all meaning, my friend.
Okay, you good?
Did I forget to mention that these boomers had a little acid bath?
Josh.
It's okay, they're using hallucinogens in clinical trials for maspies.
Josh is feeling it. Okay, let's go find something for you to stare at.
Okay.
You're not Ray. You're Ray, Raymond Kinney Ray. I still got your old hacker zines, man. I remember reading War Driver and gearing up my 10-speed, backpack with an antenna. I even used your old rootkit, man.
Stick?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Well, I assumed you were all just skitty pests. Correct me if I'm wrong, but your crew seems to have a lot of unfocused noise. You the leader?
No, man, it doesn't work like that. DedSec's got a rule. No personal armies, no leaders.
Yeah. Well, FYI, I saw you leading out there.
Man, this is everything we're fighting against. The system back home is completely
And any kid out there on the sand is gonna say the exact same fucking thing. Easy words, bro, easy words.
All right. A few years ago, this broken system marked me as a criminal risk. Linked me to some shit I didn't even do because it was probable. And now, with CTOS, it's everywhere. I mean, I can see it down to the... subliminal. You just multiplied.
Yeah, we have a tendency to do that. Well, hooks with double punch, profiling, media manipulation, corporate collusion, consumerism, all driven by predictive algorithms. And now, it's setting up shop in the heart of the Silicon Valley. And somebody at Bloom's using CTOS to feed it data.
You're recruiting.
I'm aching to give Bloom a Swiss steel kick in the peanut sack. Now I can help you kids up your game. Yeah? Help me slay the real Jabberwock. Walk with me, Marcus. Whoa. Hey, Marcus, wake the up. Let's go.
Man.
I just spent the night in a pup tent next to a lady who was very nude and very tattooed.
Good for you, girl.
No, you don't get it, man. She was the Sons of Ragnarok bride. We gotta go, man. We gotta vamoose now. Come on. Sons are coming. So you said you guys fucked up. How bad is it?
Yeah, we all at risk now because my name's got a red flag on it. Yeah, people are gonna start making the connections. Yeah, where the f is everyone?
Is that all?
It's enough. We talking about Bloom here.
Hey, and you're talking to Bloom's public enemy #1, son? Yeah, I've been dodging those bastards for years. If you want, I could scrub you from the system. Give me a couple hours.
Just like that?
Well, I might have to sacrifice a goat as part of my arcane ritual, but yeah, just like that.
There you are. We've been looking for you all morning. Turns out Swelter Skelter doesn't have a lost and found.
Nah, it's more of a finders keepers policy out there in the desert.
What in the heck is he doing here?
Yeah, Marcus, why did you invite this stranger into our house?
Look, it just happened, all right? We were running from these bikers, right? And look, you know what? It doesn't even matter. He's cool.
Oh, he's cool. Well, that's good. Because we usually discuss these things as a group.
I know. It's my bad. But you met Ray already, right? I want to introduce you to Raymond Kinney.
That's Raymond Kinney?
I thought you'd be cleaner.
Yeah, I get that a lot.
Can I have a hug? Can we keep him like a hacker in residence?
Yeah, we could use his help.
He can stay here, right? He should stay here.
Okay, fine. But if he fucks with any of us, I'm gonna pop his neck like ripe grapes.
Message received.
Nice hat.
Nice mask.
Yeah, I mean, you got...
Okay, we're good. You want a beer?
Yeah, I would love a beer. Or two.
Oh,
thank you.
Grab the man some hardware, too. He's gonna teach us some magic.
I be popping bottles, sparkles and champagne. VIP myself.
Hey, yo, T-Bone. I'm ready, man. I'm pumped. No, seriously. Hacktivist mode. Activate. Hey, man, how do we get Bloom?
What? Hold on to your joystick, son. You kids are gonna need to work your way up to Bloom, even with me helping.
Bray, are you briefing him without me? We were supposed to do that together.
No, I just didn't want to trouble you.
What trouble? No trouble. Come on, Marcus. Let's brief. Okay. So,
Let's look at the big shot data harvester, our friends at Noodle. Now, every time you search for discount refrigerator or bulldozer porn, they learn more and more about you.
Data profiling 101.
Right. But what you didn't know was that Bloom's already got their grubby paws all over that data.
Oh, this is good, Sitar. Noodle's data is just what Bloom needs to strengthen the bellwether. Dig their puppet strings in deeper. You know, if we could get a hold of this ammunition, we could take down a whole lot of different targets.
I can help with that. You can't hack Noodle unless you get into the server farm. You can't get into the server farm without clearance. You can't even get on the grounds unless you're an employee there. Who the think Rob Zombie over here gets his intel from?
Tell me you got clearance.
Oh, man, I'm trying to stay low-key right now. One of my leads is breathing down my neck.
I bet you Marcus can pose as an employee.
Oh, he could do more than pose as an employee, Sitar. Tell him what you told me, Horatio.
Noodle buses. I snagged an exploit for credentials. I could get you to the buses. All you gotta do is drive it in. They'll think you're one of the bus drivers.
Yo, let's roll, son.
All right.
Hey.
Let's do this.
Hey.
Apparently, it can apply predictive analysis to find crime before it happens. I wish this had been around before my third marriage. Could have saved me a prenup.
Snap out of it.
All right. You ready? Let's roll. I punched in the parking lot for you. Driver leaves it there every day to get his coffee.
Beautiful.
All right, man. Let me just say right off the top, I apologize for... Hey. All right, man. Let me just say right off the top, I apologize for anything and everything you're about to see.
You kidding? I'm getting an inside look at your alter ego, Horatio Carlin, corporate code jockey.
Why do I get the feeling this whole thing was a bad idea?
It's cool. I'll go easy on you.
No way.
Oh my God. Oh God.
Okay, now where's the GPS? Hey, sit down. I got, man, come on. All right, just, all right. GPS, I know where the GPS is. Got it. Really? Hey, how you doing?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Hey,
morning.
how you doing?
Good, Gary.
Hey there.
Hey.
What?
Horatio, what are you doing first on the bus?
What can I say? I'm an eager beaver.
Anyway, the juicing has really turned my life around. I feel lighter, my mind freer. I hate to break it to you, but juicing doesn't do squat. And you haven't tried my juice. I'm serious. What you want is the pulp. That's the healthy part.
Get the fuck out of here! You know, Marcus, there are times when I wish I was out doing what you're doing. And then there's today.
Thanks, friend. I'm freaking choking on the pretentiousness in here.
And here I thought Bloom employees were bad.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, and the catering made me want to puke. I starved next time. This new sushi place is so not up to par. The soy sauce was so bland. My spicy tuna roll was anything but. Oh man, that is literally the worst.
Literally? I can think of some worse things.
Seriously.
Yo, Horatio, man, I'm scared, bro.
Oh, what is it?
Don't nobody look like us.
Welcome to Silicon Valley. Hey, what do you call a black man surrounded by thousands of white people? What? Mr. President?
Hello, this is your formal.
Man, I feel so exposed.
Yeah, welcome to my world. There's only 3 other black people that work here. 2 guys, 1 woman. We have our own mailing list.
That's rough, but hey, you're fighting a good fight, changing the face of corporate life in the valley.
You haven't experienced corporate life until you're the only brother in a meeting and have to represent all of blackdom.
Jesus.
If I had a nickel for every time someone complimented me for being well-spoken.
So where's the server farm?
Not here, I'm afraid. The whole thing's located under the Noodle Maps building. You'll need a whole other level of clearance to get in there. The managers upstairs can take care of that for you. Just do a repeat performance of the bus hack on one of them, and you're good to go. Let's hit the kitchen. Need fuel before another day of drudgery.
Hey, do you want a coffee?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, please, help yourself to a pomegranate. There to die for.
You're so great. Thank you so much.
Okay, neato.
Carlin, Brody, big day today, huh? I'm excited. How about you? You know, you could just tell us what you've been up to. Where you've been looking, who you've been talking to. Coffee. What was that? Just trying to get coffee. Yeah, all right. I'm sure you'll be more forthcoming with HR. Enjoy that coffee.
Yeah, shit. You do here? Yeah, we're coming with HR. You think he's got some money? Any idea how much jail time I'd be looking at? If I can get into the server farms, I can delete all that shit. All right, we got your back. No?
He's been watching my the day I got here. Now he's saying I should be more forthcoming with HR.
You think he's got something on you?
Do you have any idea how much jail time I'd be looking at?
If I can get into the server farms, I can delete all that shit, all right? We got your back. You're not going in jail. I'll be in touch. All right?
All right.
All right.
Pomegrapples.
All right, Horatio, what's the plan for getting to the Noodle server farm?
Best option is the elevator maintenance area on the 2nd floor of Noodle Maps. But watch yourself. Security's tight. Even I don't have access.
No sweat.
Hang on. Oh, it's just that noodle ride.
What do you think you're doing?
Jet set kitty's not allowed.
All right, I am now Miss Laura Kim. How do I get into Noodle Maps?
If you've got her ID, you should be able to just...
Yeah! The Noodle campus is both private and public space.
Okay, guys, straight up, the hackerspace needs a slide.
Kinda hard to have a slide on just one floor.
Let's work on that. Vertical expansion.
Noodle Map security don't fool around, so watch yourself.
Hey, this is Laura Kim you're talking to. Excuse me,
Please move along.
I'm sorry?
We're discouraged from fraternizing with employees. Please move along.
I was just gonna ask where the bathroom is, but okay.
You don't know? Are you authorized to be here?
Hey, you're not supposed to fraternize. Move along.
Here we go again.
Elevators. Ratio, do these go to the server room?
Yes, but not for you. Facial recognition. Very advanced. Get to the maintenance access area instead. You know, like we planned.
All right, all right.
target or targets have been reported near your location.
Horatio, what are you doing first on the bus?
What can I say? I'm an eager beaver.
Man, I feel so exposed.
Yeah, welcome to my world. For every time someone complimented me for being well-spoken.
Hey, Horatio.
So where's the server farm?
Not here, I'm afraid.
That's right. Don't give me a reason to take you
Not here, I'm afraid. The whole thing's located under the Noodle Maps.
down. Let's fight. I'll report you if I have to.
Not here, I'm afraid. The whole thing's located under the Noodle Maps building. You'll need a whole other level.
Hey, do you want a coffee?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, please, help yourself to a pomegranate. There to die for.
You're so great. Thank you so much. Hey, bro, I've gotten to the elevator. Horatio?
He's gone dark. Hold on, we're trying to find him.
The keystrokes on your computer is evidence enough to put you away. I want to hear you say it. You have no idea how happy it'll make me to hear you say you f***ed up. Look, man, I don't want to be the bad guy here. Here's your... The hell? I always hated those things. It's kind of cute, though. No. So, what's it like a dead sec? You must be like a golden goose to them, embedded at noodle. You pleading the fifth? Well, I thought I'd try. Sit. Sit, this place is a freaking circus. Side team morons better do something.
You wired everything in the building to the same network down to the frickin' toys. You think you can stop it all from going haywire? Yeah. Okay, and here's a hot tip. Don't apologize. Just get it right in the first place. Yeah. You think? I know. Uh-huh. Really? Oh, Yasmin, hi.
I know. Horatio Carlin, these are very serious accusations that you've been making. I had to prepare a secure room.
Well, the evidence speaks for itself.
Mr. Carlin, I'm going to ask you to follow me.
You're the man, Horatio. Hang in there. This is it. That's it. Noodle's data is now DeadSec's data. I'm out of here, but Horatio's still in the spot. Can one of y'all help a brother out?
We have access to every workstation in Noodle, including Horatio's. And this Brody guy. I'm almost done sorting it out.
Well, let's see it.
All right, done. Let's see how Horatio's doing.
I'm sorry you chose not to cooperate with us. I would highly suggest you seek legal counsel. Yes. You tracked the keystrokes? I see. Thank you. Mr. Carlin, I am so sorry. Apparently, we've made a huge mistake.
What a surprise.
My apologies.
Yo.
You are free to go.
I'm just glad you finally got it right.
Whoa, this is a mistake. I mean...
Mr. Goodale, take a seat.
I don't think that...
Sit down.
Ratio, that was intense. You good?
I'm better than good. Where you at?
Meet me out front at the noodle bus. Hey, I'm in a massive cooling room. Any ideas on how I can get out of here?
Yeah, I got you covered. There's a drainage conduit at the back that should take you into an exterior access.
Nice, thanks. You swapped out Horatio's keystrokes with Goodale's?
Nobody gives our Horatio a hard time and gets away with it.
That's real crafty, Satara.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Yo, how's the transfer going?
It's gold, Marcus. Gold.
Bloom's definitely tapped into Noodle's pipeline. They've even given Noodle limited access to their content.
I'm all for singing Kumbaya, but got Dushan written all over it.
For Bloom and Noodle to be cooperating like this, it's a major find. But it scares the out of me.
Oh, come on, guys. Noodle ain't that bad.
Ratio.
Hey, enjoy the dump, but save a beer for me, all right, Wrench? Right now, I've got some code. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate everything you did for me.
For sure.
But right now, can you get the hell out of here? You're making people nervous. Oh, hey, did you try Palmer Grapple? It was good, right?
You look like someone with a lot of valuable information. Now, tell me everything you know about DedSec.